this video, we will learn the operation of diode clipping circuits. Basically, diode clipping circuits are wave shaping circuits that are used to shape the portion of the waveform as per the requirement. In this experiment, we have a diode clipping circuit kit that has various components available onto the board. We can use any of these combinations to make a diode clipping circuit. We have various resistors, various diodes, Zener diodes, two DC power supplies that are capable of providing 0 to 10 volt at 10 milliamperes. We have a AC supply also that is varying between 0 to 12 volt AC at 50 Hz. Basically, clipper circuit is a kind of wave shaping circuit that is meant to control the shape of the voltage and current waveforms to suit various purposes. The output of the clipping circuit appears as if a portion of the input signal were clipped off. A clipping circuit requires a minimum of two components, that is, a diode and a resistor. Often DC battery is also used to fix the clipping level. The input waveform can be clipped at different levels by simply changing the battery voltage and by interchanging the position of various elements. Such circuits are used in radars and digital computers when it is desired to remove signal voltage above or below a specified voltage level. Another application is in radio receivers for communication circuits where noise pulses that rise well above the signal amplitude are clipped down to the desired level. We have another variant of bias parallel clipper. In this circuit, we have used two diodes along with two DC bias voltages. When input signal is less than 10 volt, this diode D1 goes into the off state due to reverse bias and D2 goes into the on state. So in this way, up to 10 volt we get replica of the input signal. As soon as the input signal is greater than 10 volt, this diode D1 conducts and we get a constant 10 volt output. Further, as soon as this input signal goes up to the level of 10 volt and below, we get replica of input signal up to -5 volt. Further, if the input signal is much more less than this bias voltage 5 volt, this diode D2 conducts and we get constant 5 volt output. Again, the things are repeated. I will make the connections as per the circuit diagram. We will connect the input signal from the function generator to the bias parallel clipper circuit and we'll get the output across diode D2 and this bias voltage. So in this way we are getting input and output signal. You can observe that we are clipping in positive and negative half cycles both. So in order to observe the variation in the waveforms, we can take any kind of waveform like triangular wave. In this case we are taking triangular wave. We can take sine wave also. This is our sinusoidal wave as input signal and output is this one. So in this way we have studied various types of clipper circuits starting from series, parallel, biased and combination of series and travel clippers.